Spokane Valley says no more to new medical marijuana businesses. They voted a moratorium into place last night. KXLY4's Aaron Luna working for you now. And Aaron, City Council called this moratorium an emergency health concern.
Yeah, Nadine, City Council members tell me their main concern here is keeping marijuana out of the hands of children. That's one of the reasons why they're reevaluating what types of marijuana businesses they allow in the city limits. And that eventually could lead to a ban on businesses like Herb Nerds here off Indiana.
Acting under what they called a health emergency, the Spokane Valley City Council voted in a moratorium on new marijuana businesses.
There's a significant increase in DUIs related to marijuana.
Council member Ed Pace says there's too much uncertainty in the legislature on regulating medical marijuana to allow new businesses to open in the city, and they'd like to see the state roll medical marijuana into recreational pot regulations.
We would like everything to be through those businesses. Not have anything extra, not have anything between the cracks, no loopholes.
The moratorium doesn't affect medical marijuana co-ops already doing business and won't affect any Liquor Control Board licensed marijuana operations, but it does open the door to an outright ban on all medical marijuana dispensaries in the future.
It doesn't feel good to have a business and then all of a sudden shut it down. That doesn't feel good, but it's a possibility in this case.
Jason Dixon, owner of Herb Nerds, says this is a step in the wrong direction.
I think this is really a tragedy for medical marijuana patients.
The city says having dispensaries like Herb Nerds allows for easy access to marijuana by minors. Dixon contends home grows are more likely to blame.
Activity going on in a home is more likely to be what would get marijuana into the hands of a child.
Dixon says limiting access drives black market sales.
Prohibition is really always a win for criminals.
Now, the moratorium will last for a year or until the City Council lays down permanent regulations, whichever comes first. There will be a public hearing on the moratorium. That takes place in January 27th in the City Council chambers. Reporting live in the Spokane Valley, Aaron Luna, KXLY4 News.